What are significant figures? What is its importance? So let us now try to understand about significant figures. Every measurement has some amount of uncertainty associated with it. And what is that uncertainty due to? It is either because of the limitation of the measuring instrument or the skill of the person making the measurement. It means either the instrument is not able to record the measurement accurately or the person is not able to take the measurement accurately. Therefore, the uncertainty in the experimental values is indicated by mentioning the number of significant figures. Thus, we can define significant figures as meaningful digits which are known with certainty. Significant figures gives you the number of meaningful digits which are known with certainty. Let us now discuss about the various rules used to determine the number of significant figures. What is the first rule? All non-zero digits are significant. For example, consider 285 centimeter. The digits are 2, 8 and 5 and all the three digits are non-zero digits. Therefore, we can say that there are three significant figures. Now consider the next example 0.25 ml. The digits are 0, 2 and 5. Only the non-zero digits are significant. Therefore, it has two significant figures. Now consider the next rule. Zeros preceding to first non-zero digit are not significant. Such zeros indicate the position of decimal point. For example, consider 0.03. There are two zeros and one non-zero digit 3. Since the zeros preceding to first non-zero digit are not significant, 0.03 has only one significant figure. The zeros are not significant. Consider the next example 0.0052. All the three zeros are not significant. Therefore, 0.0052 has two significant figures. Let us now consider the next rule. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. For example, consider the number 2.005. In this case, the zeros are placed between two non-zero digits. Such zeros are significant. So this number 2.005 has four significant figures. 2005. All the four digits are significant. Therefore, the number has four significant figures. Let us now consider the next rule. Zeros at the end or right of a number are significant provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. For example, consider 0.200 gram. The zero which is placed before the decimal point is not significant. But what about the two zeros placed after the digit 2? Those two zeros are significant. Why? Because they are on the right side of the decimal point. So those two zeros are significant along with the non-zero digit 2. So how many significant figures are there in the number 0.200? There are three significant figures. The terminal zeros are not significant if there is no decimal point. To understand this, consider the number 100. Let this number be written in various ways like 100, 100 point and 100.0. Even though the number is the same, that is 100, the number of significant figures will not be the same in 100, 100 point and 100.0. So let us now first take the number 100. The number of significant figures will be 1. the two zeros are not significant. Therefore, the number of significant figures in 100 can be taken as 1. There is only one significant figure. Next, consider 100 point. Two zeros are at the end or right of a number. Therefore, along with 1, the two zeros are also significant. So, how many significant figures will be there? If you write the number as 100 point, it will be equal to 3. The number of significant figures will be now equal to 3. Let the number be written as 100.0. In this case, along with 1, the non-zero digit, all the zeros will also be significant according to the rule. So, how many significant figures will be there? If you write the number as 100.0, there will be 4 significant figures. How many significant figures are present in the number 0.0701? 7 and 1 are non-zero digits, therefore both are significant. Now the 0 which is placed between 7 and 1 is also significant. The other two zeros are not significant. Therefore, the total number of significant figures will be equal to 3. 7, 0 and 1 are the 3 significant figures. How many significant figures are there in the following numbers? 1.2, 2100, 56.76, 4.00 and 0.0792. Consider the first number 1.2. Both the digits 1 and 2 are non-zero digits. So both are significant. Hence the number of significant figures will be equal to 2. Now consider the next number 2100. You know that the terminal zeros are not significant if there is no decimal point. So only the digits 2 and 1 are significant. Hence the number of significant figures will be equal to 2. Consider the third one, that is 56.76. All are non-zero digits. Therefore, the total number of significant figures will be equal to 4. How many significant figures are there in 4.00? The two zeros are significant here because they are placed on the right side of the decimal point. So, along with 4, you have to take the two zeros. Hence, the number of significant figures will be equal to 3. Now, consider the next example 0.0792. The first non-zero digit is 7 and the zeros placed before 7 are not significant because you know that according to the rule, zeros preceding to the first non-zero digit are not significant. So, the number of significant figures will be equal to 3. 7, 9 and 2 are the significant figures. Few numbers are given here. Try to find out the number of significant figures. Also try to express each number in the form n into 10 raised to n. That's all for today. Enjoy learning.